हेलो एवरीवन। अभी हम लोग एपी में कंटिन्यू करेंगे। तो एपी में हमारा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है आज का। राइट फर्स्ट फोर टर्म्स ऑफ द एपी व्हेन द फर्स्ट टर्म ए एंड द कॉमन डिफरेंस डी आर गिवन एज फॉलोज। सो देखिए, तो कह रहा है वी हैव टू फाइंड फर्स्ट फोर टर्म्स ऑफ द एपी। फर्स्ट फोर इक्वेशंस, सॉरी, टर्म्स ऑफ एपी व्हेन ए इक्वल टू, ए मीन्स फर्स्ट term is 10, common difference d, it's also given, it is also 10. Then we know first term equal to a, second term we have to add common difference d to find second term. Similarly, third term a plus 2d. Why? Because to get third term we will add d in second term. Second term is a plus d, so a plus d, that means 2d, right? Similarly, fourth term a plus 3d. Now we know value of a is 10, 10 plus 10, 20, a plus 2 into, sorry, this one is 10, a into 10 equal to 10 and 20, 30. Similarly, 10 plus 3 into 10 equal to 40. So these are our first four terms of the required AP: 10, 20, 30, 40, and so on. This one. Okay. Similarly, we can find another question. We can find first four terms of another questions. Okay. Okay. So a equal to minus 2, d equal to 0. Here it is clear that common difference is d 0. So the first four term will be minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. Why? In each case, like this, d is 0. So this term will be 0. So there should be minus 2 everywhere in each case. That's the answer. इसी तरह से similarly a equals to 4, d equal minus 3. We can do it. Okay. First term a, that means 4. Second term a plus d, that means 4 plus bracket minus 3, it becomes 4 minus 3 equal 1. Third term, a plus 2d. That means 4 plus 2 into minus 3. 4 minus 6. That means minus 2. Fourth term, a plus 3d. That means 4 plus 2 into, there will be 3. 3 into minus 3. Minus 3 is common difference. It's given 4 plus minus minus. 3 3 is 9. It becomes minus 5. Right? So we will write the four terms 1 minus 2, 4 4 1 4 comma 1 comma minus 2 comma minus 3, minus 5, it's minus 5. So these are the first four terms. Okay, 4 comma minus 1. One more question, let's see. A equal to minus 1.25, D equal to minus 0.25. Let's find it. First term, no change, minus 1.25. Second term, A plus D, minus 1.25 plus minus 0.5. That means minus minus plus minus 1.50. Third term, A plus 2D. That means A, not A, there should be minus 1.25, right? Minus 1.25, this is A, plus 2 into minus 0.25. Minus 1.25 plus and minus minus 0.50. That means minus 1.75. Now fourth term, A plus 3D, means minus 1.25 plus 3 into minus 0.25 equal to minus 1.25 minus 0.75. When you multiply 3 into 0.25, you will get minus 0.75. That means here it becomes 2.0, right? So the first four terms are minus 1.5, minus 1.50, minus 1.75, minus 1.25, minus 1.50, minus 1.75, and minus 2.00. These are our first four terms. One more question I am giving you for homework. Try it yourself. A equal to minus 1 and D equal to 1 by 2. Do it yourself. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Like, share, and subscribe my channel.